Now let's introduce hot air welding machine TOP2000D. Open power. This is the display panel. This is the function knob. Now let's set the SV temperature. Press. Turn right to increase the temperature. Turn left to reduce the temperature. We set the SV temperature at 400 degrees. Press. After set the SV temperature, we will set the working speed. Press and turn right to increase the working speed. Turn left to reduce the working speed. Okay. Press. After we set the SV temperature and the working speed, we need to turn on the heating switch. Press. Now you can see the PV temperature is rising. After the PV temperature is almost the same with the SV temperature, we can begin to weld. Now you can see the PV temperature is almost the same with the SV temperature. Now we can begin to weld. Turn down the heat gun. After finish work, we need to turn off the heating switch first. Press. Now the heating switch is off. The PV temperature is reduced. After the PV temperature is below 50 degrees, we can turn off the power. You can see the PV temperature is below 50 degrees. We can turn off the power.